Are you ready to double your income and work less? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the way to do that with IBE.
You know how most extension installs take 6, 7, sometimes 8 hours? And by the end, you feel like you've poured your whole day into one client, but your income still doesn't reflect your skill. I've been there. As stylists, we're working nonstop behind the chair, trying to balance life, clients, and business, and still feel like we're not making enough. That is exactly why Invisible Bead Extensions was created. With IBE, you learn a patented method that allows you to install faster, deliver a premium result, and finally charge what you're truly worth without sacrificing your time or your client's comfort. It's a complete business system that solves the biggest challenges stylists face behind the chair. With our efficient installation techniques, IBE teaches you how to use clean sectioning, precise bead placement, and a fully patented process that dramatically cuts your install time. You're delivering high-end results in less time without sacrificing quality or client experience. Because the method is designed to be scalp safe, your clients experience minimal tension, low hair damage, and healthier grow-outs. We use premium high-quality hair combined with gentle application, which means clients feel better during installs and see healthier, fuller hair over time. These results directly drive client retention. When your clients feel the difference, they stay loyal, book maintenance appointments consistently, and refer others. You spend less energy chasing new clients and more time building long-term relationships that create predictable income.
Stylists, you do not want to pass this opportunity up. Trust me. Click the link below to learn more about the IBE method so you can double your income and live life the way that you want to live it.